What's up, guys? Dre here with another update on the Mustang and another part to install. So following our budget build here, we have Carlos. We have Carlos with our $90 Amazon Radiator. This is a 3-core. Score this thing for $90. And I gotta say, I'm very impressed with the quality. It's all aluminum, 3-core. And I'll post the link in the description. Here's the old one, and they're pretty identical in dimensions. Same width. The aluminum one is an inch taller, but that's not a problem. Same diameter in the hoses, so we won't have an issue there. We're going to get rid of this dress-up kit, which I hate. And we will be time-lapsing here so you guys can see the install. Follow along.
Let me find out you live in the beat up, okay?
So as you guys can see, this is the current fit of the Radiator, our $90 one. There is a little mark down there, but we did that with just the cardboard box when we were sticking it back in the box. Other than that, it doesn't affect it. Just rubbed it a little bit. Now, as you guys can see here, we have to cut off some of the hose. Totally okay with that. These hoses were like $7. This is for a 289 motor. I'm not really sure why this one is so long, but Carlos marked off the area. We're going to cut that up, and I am definitely loving the way this thing fits. Tons of space. If we really wanted to, we could still run that flex fan, but we're not going to do that. We eventually want to put an electric fan in there, and we have a ton of space. Look at that. This here is a 3-inch spacer. So as soon as we take that off and we put the appropriate bolts for the water pump, we can put like a 2-inch electric fan, width-wise, I should say. Yeah, it's gonna look good. So as you guys can see, Carlos here is installing the lower radiator hose. You know what we should have done? Was install the hoses.
What do you mean?
We should probably put the hose clamps.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Alright. Is it in all the way?
What, the hose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it in all the way? That's what she said. Insert what? Never mind, let me try. Let me stop. Alright. Can you get that bottom one in?
Oh, I need the other hose clamp.
Yeah. Here you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Back that one up a little bit. There you go. All right, there you go. Bring it back. Lubricant?
Yeah.
Also, this dry lube stuff, super slick stuff, is perfect for any of your lube jobs. I know I'm trying to say that without laughing. Got it in?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
I hope you're not.
All right, cool. So we got that one in. Now we're gonna work here on the top one, which we're gonna have to chop off some of the length. We'll keep you guys. There she is. $90 Amazon Radiator, 3-core. Look at that. New hoses. We're not gonna fill it up just yet. We're gonna take care of a couple other things and we'll check back in. But for today, that's pretty much it on this video. We're gonna put a link in the description for the radiator. Thanks again to Subilos for helping me install this junk. Hopefully it'll run. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys.